Success Mastery, it's James. I hope you're well, and I wanted to take you behind the scenes of tomorrow's Business Breakthrough Live. We're really excited. Jess and I have been here setting things up this evening, and I thought I'd give you a little tour. So this is the foyer. It'll be a bit more lively in here tomorrow when everyone gets here. So this will be full of entrepreneurs and business owners networking and hanging out and basically getting to know each other and learning strategies to take their business forward. And when the Business Breakthrough Live starts, this is the room that they'll be in. So we're set here for a couple of hundred people to come to the Business Breakthrough tomorrow. Really nice room this. Not actually ran a big event at this event at the Holiday in Bloomsbury, but we've run our masterminds here. And one of the reasons that we do that is just because they really look after you at Holiday Inn. They've got loads of little extra features. The food's actually quite good as well, and that's important when you're looking after your customers. So yeah, we're really excited about Business Breakthrough Live. If you're coming, what can you expect? Well, one of the things that you can expect is world-class content. I mean, Jess and I have been working on this content for 3 months now. This isn't a new event that we've just decided to launch. We've been thinking about it for a really long time now. And we wanted to make it special, so we wanted to make sure that all the content flowed. It's not going to be one of those things where you got one speaker on, then one speaker off. There is a theme to the day, which is really important, and that theme is all about making an impact with your business, making an impact personally, and just doing better in your life and in 2019 and helping serve other people. So we're really excited about that. Everyone that's going to be here tomorrow, we can't wait to see you. It's going to be an absolutely jam-packed day full of content. And if you're not coming tomorrow, why not? You've missed out. You should have got your ticket. You should have got yourself sorted and come to the Business Breakthrough Live, because it's going to be an absolutely amazing event, a unique event. No one else has got an event just like this, and we're here to serve you guys tomorrow. So looking forward to seeing you all. I'm going to go because I've got lots of things to finish off before we're ready for tomorrow. Bye for now, guys. See you tomorrow.